Good morning. I want to welcome everybody to another video from the Marquee Money Talks YouTube channel, where we talk about finance, business, LLCs, building personal and business credit, and financial future. Today I want to talk about something. I want to talk about a couple of things. One thing, October 6th was download day for my favorite crypto, which is Shiba Inu. I'm fully invested in it, and it actually dropped yesterday because of well, I'm not going to say because of the release of the app, but the crypto market is kind of volatile right now, so it's been going up and down, but overall, Shiba has actually remained stable through everything. And they launched their new game. It's called Shiba Eternity, and it's going to implement a 5% burn rate. And if you know anything about crypto, then you know that being able to burn the tokens that are in circulating supply, the more tokens you can get out of the circulating supply, the higher the value of the crypto. So I think that's going to be big for the game, and it's an interesting card game. So I haven't actually played it, but I have downloaded it on my phone. So I'm probably going to be trying it out this weekend just so I can, kind of see how it goes, and maybe I'll upload some gameplay videos on it. But long term, they're looking into establishing themselves as not only a stable coin or a crypto with more utility, but they're also looking to expand into gaming and other things. So I really like that for them. I really like that for their future. And I'm really looking forward to seeing where it's going to take them. And, just like I said, I think they have less than 12 to 24 months to getting up over a penny. They dropped down yesterday, so I put another $200 in them, and that got me about another 16 million tokens. So I'm sitting at about 280 million tokens right now. So I'm feeling pretty good about myself, because once it get to that penny mark, I'll never have to work again in life. So that's why I'm investing for, so I can have my freedom, and so I can do with my time what I want to do. But I don't plan on stopping working per se. I'm self-employed. I've been self-employed about 5 years come December. And I'm just looking to just keep myself self-employed. So I'm going to be doing some other business ventures. I'm going to be buying some franchises. I'm going to be making some investments. And I'm just going to be, building wealth and doing smart things with my money. And I get a question a lot about what to buy on the stock market. And the market changes on a regular basis, change on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis, and on a yearly basis. So, when I teach about stocks, I like to teach people how to find the stocks to invest in, and understand when it's the right time to get in, when it's the right time to get out, when it's the right time to pull profits, when it's the right time to invest more money. And knowing how to do it is better than knowing what to do, because you can know what to do and end up going bankrupt, because you can get personally attached to the stock, and that's really bad, because it'll cause you to make some very uninformed decisions, and cause you to lose a lot of money. You got to use these stocks as tools, and as your stocks go up and you sell and take profits, you find other stocks to put that money in. Keep the money moving. You keep that money moving, it'll stay growing. Now, there are certain stocks that you should buy and just hold, and just hold for the rest of your life. Especially those dividend stocks, those stocks that pay dividends, which is a the profits that the stock companies or the companies share with their shareholders. And so I'm a big fan on finding stocks that pay dividends and putting them into your portfolio. That's why I like to use the M1 app, because I can just pick 100, 200, 300 stocks that pay dividends, and it'll break them off into sections of pies. Like one of my pies is like I have a cellular pie. And in that cellular pie, I keep all the major phone carriers: T-Mobile, Verizon, AT&T, Metro, PCS, just all the different, just AT&T, all the top major phone carriers. That's what I have in my cellular pie. I have another pie that I call like food. And I keep, stuff like McDonald's and Wendy's and Arby's and different companies like that in there, and grocery store chains and different stuff like that. I have an EV pie where I invest in like electric vehicle companies, like Tesla, another company called Lucid Motors. I'll be talking about them in a future video, and different things like that. So that's what I use the M1 for. And one stock in particular that has just been my top investment throughout this COVID, just an unexpected giant that I never really expected to do much, but just shot up so high that I really didn't expect it to do that. And so, wonder what are these? I guess they're new keys to my office. Okay, yeah. This one stock that I never expected to do what it's been doing, and I mean it's been super profitable, and I've added it to my list, top 25 list. I'm gonna maybe post that when I have time today, of 25 companies that I think right now or good companies to just put in a portfolio and just hold them for life. Even if you don't put, but $1 a week or $25, and take $1 a week and put in these stocks, I believe you'll be happy with them in the future. I'm being a little more aggressive because I want to be more comfortable when I get to retirement age. I want to be able to travel the world and spend 6 months on a cruise ship and get off that cruise ship and bounce from island to island all over the world. I'm going to be one of them people where people ask, what do you do? And I just be like, hey, I'm doing it. But the one stock that's just been amazing throughout COVID and through everything that's going on, and what I call just a sleeping giant. I mean, profits have been off the chain. It's just been steadily going up throughout the whole pandemic, is waste management. And everybody pretty much know waste management, especially in the South. That's who pick up your trash every week and sort through your recyclables and all that kind of stuff. And they have just been amazing. And if you go and look at the charts and see where they was before COVID and see where they are now, and they haven't had to sell to anybody, they haven't had to, get in the SBA loans and all that kind of stuff. They may have, but I haven't heard anything about them getting it. And as long as I've been seeing them or having them in my portfolio just been climbing. I mean, when everything else is down, that waste management stock has been up. And this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy it. I'm just saying what I've seen with my experiences with it. And just like I said, it's been amazing for me. And just go look it up and look at the charts. And if you're looking to find a brokerage to invest with, I suggest you use one of the brokerages I have down below in the description. I have Robinhood, I have Webull, I have Stash, and I have M1. Those are the four main ones that I use. TD Ameritrade is also good. but I like the ones that I posted because they have a lot of learning tools for people who are just starting to invest in the market. So they have, like, little videos you can watch to help you understand investing better. They have videos you can watch to learn how to navigate through the different menus of the investment platforms or the brokerages. And then they also give you free stock just for signing up and making a deposit. So you can sign up and deposit $100 in your account and then just end up with free stock worth anywhere between $100 to $1,000 a share. So essentially, in a way, it's kind of free money, and this opportunity. Later on, I'm going to be posting videos of me actually buying stock. I'm going to be sharing my screen and showing you me purchasing stock and me moving money around and things like that. I'm going to be talking about options trading. I learned how to trade options earlier this year. It's a good way to turn a little money into big money. But, there are certain things you have to understand with investing in options. And I'm thinking about maybe opening an account maybe in January and putting like $1,000 in it and showing you just how much you can do in like a year's time with just $1,000. And we're going to just, see how things happen. I want to thank you to my 35 subscribers for joining the family, joining the community, being a part of what I'm trying to build. And I hope the information that I'm sharing is useful and has value for you. I'm going to have to get out of here. I got some things to do for my trucking company. I'm not sure if you're aware, I have my own trucking company. That's one of the businesses that I own. I have a rental car company as well on Turo. I guess I should post a link to that as well. And I'll put that down in the description. So if you're in the Dallas area and you need a dependable car, a good gas saver, I have some vehicles on there. I'm going to be closing the Turo business down for a little while because I'm going on the road for a minute, but I'll be back to doing that. I'm not going to be on the road too long, but I'm still going to be doing videos about finance and different things like that. I'm going to bring, maybe this weekend, I'm going to do some credit card reviews for the credit card portion of what I want everybody to learn about personal and business credit. Some good companies I've used and had a good relationship with. Some of the companies that just have been terrible that I plan on doing away with their card. So, this is going to be a good opportunity to keep you from wasting your time. I don't see it as wasted time for me because I had a chance to learn something. So can't nobody just tell me about this company, that company, or the other, because I actually have experience with it. So thank you to everyone for tuning in to the Marquee Money Talks YouTube channel. I appreciate my 35 subscribers out there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we're going to keep growing. We're going to keep building up these finances. We're going to keep investing, and we're going to keep learning together and growing together. Everybody have a good Friday. Have a good weekend. And that's it.